How to know what is maximum resolution on your phone and how to change it. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this. So follow the following steps for that. Start by opening the settings on your Android phone. After clicking on the setting option, a pop-up will be shown on your screen something like this. Now scroll down and down up until you see the very option of display. After tapping on the display option, you can search for the display resolution option or display mode option if you have so. Also, you can search something like this here. But if you do not see the option of resolution here, then what you can do is scroll down and you will see the very option of vision enhancements right here. Tap on the vision enhancements and you can simply change the contrast, theme and everything correction like color correction, color inversion, highlight buttons and everything from here if you want to, because this is how you can change the resolution. And if you are seeing video or anything, then you can change the resolution of your Google Photos, videos, YouTube or anything applications that you're using from, since you do not find the exact resolution option on your setting option. So if you do have the setting option with screen resolution, then you can simply change it. Also, you can search from the top search bar screen resolution here, and if you find it, then you can change it, because all the Android phones do not have this on their phone. Also, you can go on screen mode as well, which is right here, which is to the vivid here. Now we can change the tone of your screen mode as well to cool, warm and balanced as well. So these are the options that you can use except of the screen resolution. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below.